Hello everybody, today I'm here with my friend Arise Wan. Hello Arise.
Hello Leonardo, how are you?
Very good, thank you. Arise is a great visual artist and architect that created the artwork for Black Sheep for ASTROBEAT. And today I want to ask you, Arise, to tell us a bit more about yourself and your activity.
Hello everyone, I'm a visual artist and also architect in the same time. So my art usually focus on humanity, technology, and space exploration. And yeah, above all, it was inspired by nature and also our mystical universe. And beside that, as an architect, I also design real buildings and construct real buildings. So by being an artist and architect, I try to blend facts and fiction together.
This is amazing, and I really love how you merge these polymath aspects between the knowledge in architecture you have and as a visual artist. And why space is important for you?
Very good question. I think space is very important because it brings hope for humanity to thrive for a better future, and also to expand human consciousness into this vast universe. And for me, humans in nature are curious. So we sail the sea, we look upon to the stars, and we are just curious being. And I think space will give a lot of positivity to humanity, not just to our life, but also to explore. Yeah.
And I think we are really privileged to be active part of this new space era that humanity is living. And so, what about your previous experience with space art?
I started robotic architecture for space exploration for my master thesis, and it went quite well. And then I was invited to TU Delft to do the research with ESA. And from there, I know a bunch of inspiring people. So they recognized my skill. So they invited me to go to to have projects together. And one of the notable projects are Engines of Eternity. It was exhibited in ESA Aztec in Noordwijk, Netherlands last year, open day.
That work in particular inspired me to get in touch with you after we met for the International Astronautical Congress in Baku in 2023, and to ask you to be part of the ASTROBEAT project. And regarding this, I would like you to share a bit your creative process for the beautiful artwork that you created for Black Sun.
We started on brainstorming with you, Leonardo. You are quite an inspiring figure to me too.
Thank you.
Because of your knowledge. Your knowledge and skill inspire me throughout the process too. And you have a lot of interesting thoughts during the brainstorm session. And you share me a very interesting a book called Creation Note. I actually listened to the audiobook, and yeah, it inspired me about how humans adapt to space environment. And I believe there's a girl named Salma. She's the firstborn human in outer space.
Yes.
So it was quite inspiring to get to know the stories of how humans adapt to space and how their structure being stretched. And yeah, as I say earlier, my artworks are inspired by all this natural structure, natural environmental situation. The artwork you can see there's in the middle of the art there's a human form, which is stretched a bit longer. So it's actually adaptation to zero gravity and long term in space, outer space. And of course, above all, it was inspired by Dr. Leonardo, a black hole the integration of black hole knowledge into musical notes. Yeah, of course, during my creative process, I did sketch, but I also need some music. So when I sketch, I actually listen to Dr. Leonardo music. Yeah, it inspired me throughout the process to create such a inspiring artwork.
And the result is truly amazing, and you can see it online. Also, you can see the live streaming event we did in connection with the International Space Station to premiere this composition. And one of the many aspects that I love of your artwork is the incredible level of detail that you are able to transfer in your art that made the artwork even more incredible. So I suggest everyone to go and check the work of Arise online. Thank you very much for this insight about your activity, and see you up there.